Hi friends, thank you so much for joining me for this super cool project share. My mother-in-law actually finally created one of her own little mini albums, and she truly wanted this beautiful fussy cut image right here on the very front cover. And this uses the Florabella by Mintay papers. I don't have the paper pack to show you right here, but I am so unbelievably just impressed that she completed this book on her own. And it's so much fun. She comes over every Wednesday and we hang out as a family, and it's just so beautiful. So you'll notice that there's some little sticky notes covering up my brother-in-law and his son, and then my partner and my son as well. So this right here, she did her own little twist on it. She had horses growing up as a kid, so this paper pack is totally her color scheme, and it represents her childhood, so I just love it. This flap opens up right here. It's like a little magnetic closure. And then you got picture space here, and these are 4x6s, completely uncropped 4x6s all the way across. And look, she added that same image on the back. So she kind of did a little split page, but it's all one unit. I love that she wanted to go on her own venture and do that because she didn't want to cut into the paper and sacrifice it. So instead she wants to enjoy the paper and the pictures at the same time. If you were wondering what class design this is the beginner's mini album right here. So there are just a little couple little bits and pieces she fussy cut out. And these turned out fantastic. Jody, you rock. There's my brother-in-law and my nephew. And then look how cute. You got picture space right inside here. She loved these horses, and you could fit more pictures in there. Absolutely fantastic. The little cute little flap gets held down by this little strip here. And she could do some journaling on the back of there if she wanted. This little guy flips over. And then another 4x6 photo space. Love how she split the design paper. She added some solid nature here to kind of break up the busy patterns. 100% love it. I'll leave the link to the class down in the description. It uses different paper, but you can, of course, use any paper it is that you want. We got some more fun little photographs going right here on this nice big flap. And then right here, beautiful. I know this just kind of looks funny because we're all blocked out, but you understand what I mean. Here we have another little beautiful fussy cut image. You did so good. And then the brothers right there. Nice strip of the design paper here. So simple. This book can come together in seriously one day. And some more vertical 4x6 style pictures there. This paper is gorgeous, and she did an amazing job for her first time. And so a repetition right here on the back, we've got this super cool flap that goes up. Another landscape 4x6 picture right there. And then some more here. Beautiful. Love it. She totally used that paper up, and it's just, oh my gosh, I can't even believe. I love how she wanted to just continue the image throughout. These are completely her colors. I hope you guys have enjoyed this and got some inspiration from her book. Jody, you did so awesome, and I love you, and you are the best mother-in-law in the whole wide world, and I just have so much fun when you come over. I hope everyone has a wonderful day, and you as well, and Jody, we'll see you soon. Bye.